第二個要討論嘅題目就係 refinery of 個 petroleum。我哋唔講 coal，唔講其他 natural gas 住，我哋先講嘅咧就係 petroleum。Composition of petroleum，我哋頭先講過，主要係 hydrocarbons。hydrocarbons 係好重要嘅一樣 petroleum 入邊擁有嘅嘢。而我哋分咗 hydrocarbons 咧，主要係兩種，一個叫 aliphatic，一個叫 aromatic。如果我哋先講 aromatic 先咧，就係 aromatic 咧就係有 benzene rings，aliphatic 咧就係 non-aromatic 嘅 rings，non-aromatic 嘅即係冇 benzene 嘅嘢，其實就會歸類為 aliphatic。簡單地講咧，就係 aliphatic 咧就係冇 benzene。我哋一陣就會睇下乜嘢係 benzene 嚟。咁如果係咁，aliphatic 有啲乜嘢咧？就係 hydrocarbons in which carbon atoms join together in straight chains、branched chains 同埋 non-aromatic rings。例如 straight chain 嘅意思，即係話佢一條 carbon chain 一路咁樣係一路攬落去，without changing 咁樣嘅。branch 嘅意思咧就係喺呢度係一條 straight chain，但係自己會叉開咗兩個 carbon 出嚟。我哋就話佢唔係一個 straight chain。最後一個就係 non-aromatic 嘅 ring shape，咁樣咧就係 carbon 圍住 carbon，佢一路咁樣圍住佢，圍咗一個圈。咁呢個咧就係 non-aromatic 嘅 ring。我哋會逐個逐個又再講下。先講最 simplest 嘅 hydrocarbon，其實就係 methane 或者 methane CH4，一個 carbon 而已嘅啫，一個 carbon atom with four hydrogen atoms。如果我哋簡單啲畫咧，就係用咗個 structural formula C bond with 四個 H。複雜少少，ethane 係兩個 carbon with six hydrogen。propane 三個 carbon with eight hydrogen atoms。butane 四個 carbon atoms with 10 hydrogen atoms。其實 hydrocarbon 係呢一種個 carbon chain 可以一路一路加上去，變成五個 carbon、六個 carbon，如此類推，一路繼續加落去，冇人可以限制到你。呢個係 carbon 好特別嘅嘢，我哋就話呢一種咁樣直去嘅話咧，就係一個 straight chain 嘅 carbon atoms。然之後，我哋如果計數嘅話咧，佢有個 general formula，我哋話咧佢係有 n 咁多個 carbon 咧，就會有幾多個 hydrogen 咧？其實就係2n 加2咁多個 hydrogen。諗翻 C， 一個 C 就四個 H， 兩個 C 六個 H， 三個 C 八個 H， 係 fulfill 咗呢一個 CnH2n+2 rule 嘅。所以 for alkanes， 我哋就係咁樣去用翻呢一個 formula 去計到。不過我哋頭先再嚟一次 straight chain 嘅 alkanes 就係一路個 carbon atoms 咁樣亮落去。How about branched one？branched 咧其實嘅意思就係我哋見到條 straight chain， 不過其中一個 hydrogen atom 唔再係 carbon， 唔再係 hydrogen， 而係有個 carbon 喺度。我哋就話呢度咧係有個 branched 咗。我哋只睇 carbon 嘅話，一路咁樣落，跟住呢度咧有個 carbon 咧，呢個就係個 branched chain。如果我哋再拉長啲，變成 CH2、CH3，呢個都係一個 branched chain。當然啦，你多過一個 branch 都可以㗎，好似啲樹枝咁，可以係一個主幹主嘅鋼軸。咁跟住咧，中間有啲枝節喺度，咁佢有幾多個枝節係冇影響㗎啦，已經。我哋就會話呢啲叫做 branched 嘅 chain。點樣去證明其實啲 hydrocarbons 入邊係主要係有 carbon 同埋 hydrogen 咧？呢度就話 the setup is used to show that hexane 其中一隻 alkanes contains carbon and hydrogen。What are X and Y？ 咁可以停10零秒諗一諗 X 同埋 Y 會係乜嘢，從而證明到有 carbon 同 hydrogen 咧？如果 hexane 係有 carbon 同 hydrogen 嘅話，當佢燃燒，佢就會製造到 water 出嚟。 因為有 hydrogen，佢可以製造到 water。hydrogen 咧係令到 water given out 嘅話變成咗，佢可以 condense 變成 liquid。condense 咗變成 liquid 嘅話，咁有啲乜嘢嘢係可以 test 到 water？第二個有 carbon atoms，當佢 combustion 燃燒嘅時候會變成 CO2 gas。嗱，當然 CO2 gas condense 唔到啦，所以佢就可以走上去，經過 Y，我哋要用乜嘢嚟證明 Y 證明有 carbon dioxide 咧？咁呢個一定要係 lime water，Y 一定係 lime water 啦。話乜嘢可以 嗱有 cold water condense 咗啲 water，證明佢係 cold 係一堆 water 嘅話咧，不外乎兩種啦，一個就係 cobalt two chloride，anhydrous 嘅 cobalt two chloride，或者係 anhydrous 嘅 copper two sulfate。咁兩隻都要係 anhydrous 啦，咁一個就會 blue to pink，一個咧就係 white to blue 啦。咁視乎你用邊個啦。咁我哋可以選擇是但一個都可以 test 到嗰隻係咪 water formed。咁呢個咧就係嚟去到證明到底邊一個係一個到底係咪一個 hydrocarbon 啦？呢個就係一個最好嘅證明嘅方法。再落 examples of aromatic 咧，就係頭先提及過嘅有 benzene ring。所謂嘅 benzene ring 咧，佢就係 carbon 楞住 carbon 啦，但係一定係六個 carbon 楞埋一齊，並且 form 咗一個圓，好似 ring shape 咁樣，頭黐住咗個尾。In between 咧，係每隔一個 carbon 咧就會有個 carbon carbon double bonds。咁所以咧，你就會見到 carbon carbon double bond 完咗之後一個 single double single and then double。呢個就係一個 benzene ring 嘅 structure。喺個 benzene ring 嘅 structure 底下，我拎走一個 hydrogen 變成係一個 CH3，佢都係一個有 benzene ring 嘅嘢，所以我哋就話佢係一個 aromatic 嘅 hydrocarbons。或者係見到有個都係有 benzene ring，上邊嗰個都係一樣有 benzene ring 嘅話咧，咁呢個都係一個 aromatic 嘅 hydrocarbons。所以我哋話咧，只要見到有 benzene ring，佢就係一個 aromatic 嘅 hydrocarbons，好似有啲六角形喺度咁樣。咁所以呢個就係個 aromatic 嘅 hydrocarbons。如果我哋平時講緊啲 crude oil 或者係嗰啲嘅petroleum 倒出嚟咧，係一堆黑麻麻充滿住唔同嘅 hydrocarbons 嘅嘢，佢有好多唔同嘅 hydrocarbons，唔同嘅長度，所以我哋需要做嘅嘢咧就係去 refine 佢，分翻開唔同嘅 fractions，分翻開唔同嘅 fractions 嘅時候，佢哋就有唔同嘅用途。佢哋事實上就係 mixture of different hydrocarbons inside，所以我哋要分翻佢嚟用。我哋喺 laboratory 點樣去做個 fractional distillation 咧？咁其實就係因為個 principle behind 就係咧 hydrocarbons in petroleum have different boiling points，唔同嘅 hydrocarbon 有唔同嘅 boiling point，所以咧佢哋咧就可以做到一個 fractional distillation。我哋只要煲佢就做到。用一個方法就係點樣去煲佢咧？就係用 mineral wool soaked with petroleum。咁跟住咧，我哋 heat 佢。由於唔同嘅 hydrocarbons 出嚟嘅時候咧，都係有唔同嘅 temperature，有唔同嘅 boiling points 或者咁講。咁所以咧，佢 heat 佢嘅時候，低 boiling point 嘅就會走咗出嚟先，high boiling point 嘅就會遲啲先出嚟。所以唔同嘅溫度就會有唔同嘅 fractions，唔同嘅 hydrocarbons 走出嚟，我哋就可以 condense 佢攞得翻。第一件事我哋要有嘅就係有個 mineral wool soaked with 個 petroleum，and then heat it with gently。我哋唔會好 high temperature 咁 heat 佢，輕輕 heat 一 heat 佢先，就將啲 low boiling points 嘅 hydrocarbons evaporate 出嚟，並且 condense 佢。要用 mineral wool 嘅原因就係因為 petroleum 係一個好 viscous 嘅 liquid 嚟嘅，係好似 glue 一樣，好似啲膠水咁樣。如果你煲，如果你煲一啲好似膠水咁黏度高、咁 viscous 嘅嘢咧，係好容易會有起唔到泡嘅現象，會有 superheating。 所以我哋要咧令到佢咧唔好有 superheating 嘅現象，我哋就要用啲 mineral wool。The mineral wool soaked with petroleum so that petroleum can evaporate easily。第二，我哋個要有嘢 condense 翻佢啦。The fractions with the lowest boiling point distill off first，即係話越低 boiling point 越容易走出嚟。當佢走出嚟嘅時候，我哋繼續 heat 佢咧，就 higher boiling points 嘅都會走出嚟。所以 fractions with higher boiling points range distill off one by one，一個跟一個咁樣。Collection with different fractions with the separate test tube，用唔同嘅 test tube 去collect 唔同嘅 fractions。咁所謂嘅 collect 唔同嘅 fractions 咧，你可以睇一睇呢個 experimental 嘅 video 啦，自己 scan 一次個 QR code 睇一下。但係我哋如果做嘅話，我哋就會發現唔同嘅 fractions 俾咗出嚟，第一支 test tube 係比較上乾淨透明啲，第二支 test tube 已經係黃啲㗎啦，第三支 test tube 開始再深色啲，係再深黃啲啦，到最尾嗰啲 test tube 係會變成深黑色咁樣。所以唔同嘅 fractions，我哋就會有唔同嘅 test tube 去 correct。咁 collect 嘅時候，我哋就發現最冇色嗰隻 colourless 嗰隻咧嘅 fractions 係 non-viscous，viscosity 係越嚟越深，越大嘅個 viscosity。volatility 咧，第一個咧，你係好聞到陣好臭嘅味嘅，其實佢 evaporates easily。但係如果去到 higher fraction，你要煲好耐先煲到佢出嚟嗰啲咧，即係佢係好 high boiling point，佢唔 evaporate，唔容易去 evaporate 到。evaporation 咧係影響佢個 flammability，越容易 evaporate 就越容易燒着。所以 easy evaporate 就 easy to burn，difficult to evaporate，difficult to burn。當你 easy to burn 嘅話咧，咁其實佢出嚟嗰個 flame 咧，其實就會係比較上靚啲啦，complete combustion 啦，會見到有 blue 啦。但係如果你係唔 difficult to burn 嗰啲咧，其實佢就反而係出唔到一個 complete combustion，所以佢出到個 flame 係 orange flame。而且咧 complete combustion 我哋就會攞到嘅咧就係 non-sooty flame，但係 incomplete combustion 咧就會 get 到一啲好 sooty，即係話有好多 carbon soot 喺度。所以 petroleum fractions with a higher boiling point range has a darker color，好深色嘅。如果 higher boiling point range 嗰啲 ，and is more viscous。It is less volatile while less flammable and burns less completely，冇咁容易燒得着嘅。咁我哋即係話，如果 higher boiling point range 嘅 petroleum fractions 係咁樣嘅話，即係調翻轉嘅啫。lower boiling point range 就會係調轉晒所有啲 color、viscous、volatility、flammability 同埋佢哋邊一個容易啲 complete combustion。refining of petroleum 喺 oil 上邊 industrial 嚟講咧，我哋一定要用一個好大嘅 oil refinery tower。喺呢個 tower 入邊咧，我哋有個 fractionating tower。low boiling point 嗰啲咧就會係喺上邊，因為佢距離個 furnace 遠，所以 lower temperature part 係喺個 upper part of the fractionating tower。啲 low boiling points 嘅 hydrocarbon 咧就會係喺上邊先 condense 到，甚至好似 refinery gas 咁，其實係 condense 唔到，因為 refinery gas 係一隻 gas 嚟噶嘛，你其實係 condense 唔到佢。但係下一層已經係都係 low temperature 嘅，比起40度當然高啲，但係佢都係 low temperature range，我哋就會 isolate 到 petrol。再下邊啲 higher temperature part、higher boiling point 嗰啲出嚟啦 kerosene， 再 lower 啲就係 diesel oil， 再 lower 啲 fuel oil， 再 lower 啲 lubricating oil and wax。最 highest temperature 嗰部分即係好熱，一落到嚟就已經跌咗落底嗰啲係 bitumen 嚟嘅。refinery gas 咧其實係一啲好細嘅 carbon atoms， 即係話應該話 small number of carbon atoms inside， 例如 methane 得 CH4 咁樣啦。sorry， 佢哋咧係喺個 higher level 度 condense 到，但係喺下邊嗰啲 bitumen 咧，我哋就有 greater 嘅 number of carbon atoms in the molecule， 佢哋嘅 boiling point 就會比較高，所以佢哋係 condense 喺個 lower hotter part 嘅。但係點解 hydrocarbon with larger molecule 係會有 higher boiling point 啫？答案其實係個 larger molecular size 就會有 greater van der Waals force。van der Waals force 係取決於個 molecular size。van der Waals force 大啲，boiling point 自然高啲。所以我哋喺最低 boiling point 嘅堆嘅 refinery gas 就會喺 lower temperature 嗰度拎到，而佢哋嘅 molecular size 係比較細。The condensed hydrocarbons then flow out to the tower and collect from different fractions。有唔同嘅 fraction 去收到，我哋收到咗之後咧，唔同會有其實呢一啲 fraction 都會有 mixture of hydrocarbons 喺度，不過佢哋嘅 boiling point difference will be smaller，唔會再係由400幾度至到340度不等，而係佢真係30度以下啦，實係 gas 或者呢度咧頭先收集係40至170度，咁樣咧我哋個 boiling point difference range 咧就會細好多。In general, hydrocarbon with larger molecular size has a higher boiling point。咁試下諗下，作為一個 revision，記唔記得個 principle behind the fractional distillation of petroleum 咧？又記唔記得點樣畫個 experimental setup 喺個 school laboratory 入邊 for 個 fractional distillation of petroleum？嗱，係 school 嘅 experimental setup，並唔係 industrial setup，所以千祈唔好畫個 fractionating tower。呢個咧就係20.2 refinery of 個 petroleum。